Hi, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this tutorial I will show you that how to vectorize hand lettering. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. So we will vectorize this hand lettering which have been scanned and we are going to vectorize it in Adobe Illustrator. So we will start with the Photoshop first. So I have scanned the image in Photoshop. So if you have like any kind of rough edges or if any letter is breaking down a little bit, you can fill this here in Photoshop. I am just going to select the brush tool and click here to choose the brush type, and you can increase or decrease the size of the brush. So I am zooming in. Here you can see the letter T is breaking a little bit from between. So I am going to fill it. You can increase or decrease the size of the brush by pressing the square brackets in your keyboard. So like this, you can go around to improve all these little flaws you might see little clearly. Okay, so now I'm going to increase its contrast. So come here in the image panel and here adjustments and select brightness and contrast. Here I'm increasing the contrast all the way to 100, and also I'm going to increase the brightness a little. You can see it is beginning to stand out a lot more. Kind of the rough paper texture is fading away and the black is coming forward. So I want to darken the black a little more. So I'm going to image, here adjustments and brightness and contrast. And again I'm going to increase the contrast. It is looking good. So once you are happy with the contrast, now I need to copy this full layer. So just hit Ctrl A to select everything and then Ctrl C to copy, and then just come into the Illustrator and hit Ctrl V to paste everything here. Like this. Now we want to vectorize it. So we will use the image trace to vectorize it. Image trace lets you to convert raster images to vector artwork. Using this feature, you can easily base a new drawing on an existing piece of artwork by tracing. So first, select the image and then here go to Window and Image Trace. The Image Trace panel will appear. Check the preview on and you will see it has converted the raster image into a vector image. Now I'm going to increase a little threshold here, as threshold helps to give out the maximum detail. Do not increase the threshold a lot. If you increase it too much, it will make the image like this. So increase the threshold a little bit. Now, here are some advanced options. First is path. I will keep the path low. If you increase the path, it will give a lot of details in the artwork, which is not required in my artwork. So I will keep this low. Second is corners. If you want the sharp edges, then increase the corners. And if you want the smooth edges, then decrease the corners. Next is noise. Again, noise is also used for details. If you want more details, you can decrease the noise. It depends on the artwork, that which kind of artwork you are tracing. Here, I am tracing a simple hand lettering, so I don't need much more details. Now here, our mode is black and white, as we want the result in black and white. And here, our view is tracing result, and the preset will remain default here. Now, when you are happy with this, we are going to expand this. Just select it and go to object, and here expand. We will expand this now and click OK. Now we will just ungroup this. Just select it and go to object and ungroup. Or you can simply hit Shift Ctrl G to ungroup it. Now this rectangle, I'm going to select this and delete it like this. So another thing that happens is, when you have corners like this, so there is white color filled here. So you have to delete this like this. Like this. Now everything is done. So this is the Vectorize hand lettering. Once it is vectorized, we can scale this. So you can see, I can make it big, small. Also, I can edit it without compromising resolution, which you cannot do with the scanned hand lettering. When you will scale it, its edges will get funky. It's get little fuzzy. And we want it crisp and clean. And also, when I hit Ctrl Y, this is just showing the image. And you can see these are shapes now which you can edit in Illustrator. And this scanned one, this is only the big image. So this is how you can vectorize hand lettering. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.